hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Honor 7X. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 508 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees and comes with 4GB of RAM. That's the variant I'm currently using. Honor 7X sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Base variant starts at 13,000 rupees for 3GB of RAM, and that's the one I'm using in this video. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Note 5 Pro was almost 14 seconds faster than Honor 7X, which is huge, but most of it is because of the games. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time, and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. For most of the apps, Note 5 Pro was faster than Honor 7X by just few milliseconds. So it's almost a tie in the speed test, but if I consider the games, Note 5 Pro is definitely the winner. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, Honor 7X comes with 4GB of RAM and I'm using the 4GB RAM variant of the Note 5 Pro. Memory management is good on both the phones. Both the phones are equally responsive even while retrieving apps from memory. So in the memory management round, it's a tie. So guys, on the whole, if you're looking for general performance, both are almost similar, but if you consider the gaming performance, Note 5 Pro is definitely the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.